Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up and I thought of doing a vlog today. It's been a long time since I did a vlog. So it's Sunday today and I have a couple of errands to run. I'll just go out and do a couple of things and I'll take you with me and I'll show you what all I do. सबसे पहले तो I'll have my sandwich. That's me. And I have a couple of clothes that I'll just try on because I received it yesterday. इसके लिए अलग एक video आएगा. So be ready for that. And guys, this is my work table. Like, look at this. इतना सा जगह सिर्फ काम करने के लिए, and the rest is all the products. I have to clean this up. I have been procrastinating since a long time. लेकिन हो नहीं रहा है time. Condition of my house right now. I'm telling you in advance, guys, I'm not great at vlogging. This is something that I'm learning. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I don't have time. I have to rush. It's already late. So now I'll quickly have my sandwich and then I'll try on the dresses. So I'm having a coleslaw sandwich right now. I love coleslaw sandwiches. I was thinking of ordering from Flurries. I love their strawberry cube pastry. Oh, it's my favorite. I also saw Alia Kashyap's vlog once and she said that, not vlog, she posted a story I think, and she said that hands down Flurries pastry is the best, and I love strawberry cube. I keep ordering from Flurries. Okay, so these are the packages that I've received. Videos coming up soon. So whenever the packages come, I actually try my dresses out to see if they actually fit. So now I've tried all my dresses and now I just need to get ready quickly so that I can leave my house quickly and go out. So I've noticed one thing, that my skin changes with season, and because it's monsoon and it's so humid outside, my skin tends to become dull and I need products which are lightweight and are non-sticky. So I'm going to wash my face with the Aqualogica Radiance Face Wash. It controls the oil production and it gently cleanses my skin without making it dry. Next, I'm going to apply the Radiance Face Serum. It's very lightweight and non-sticky. It does not have any color or fragrance. So if you have any acne marks or dark spots, it is going to fade it, and it's also going to tighten and minimize your pores. I just love how hydrating this is and how it makes my skin instantly very bright and radiant. Next, I'm going to use the Radiance Jello Moisturizer. It's very light and has got a gel-based formula. It instantly hydrates my skin. Like, you can actually feel the skin soak up all the goodness. It's very lightweight and it gets absorbed quickly. It also minimizes and tightens the pores, and it fades any dark spots or any acne marks that you have. The mildest fragrance, like almost no fragrance. I love how it makes my skin feeling all glowy and dewy and plump and soft. Also, it does not make my skin look oily or sticky. These have got a blend of fruits and actives like watermelon extract, niacinamide along with hyaluronic acid. Aqualogica has a unique water lock technology which locks in moisture into your skin, gives you an intense boost of hydration and a refreshing glow. It's PETA approved, vegan and cruelty free, and it's free from nasties, which means it does not have parabens, mineral oils or sulfates. Use my coupon code SUSH20 for 20% off on aqualogica.in, and also with each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need to get access to clean drinking water. The products are also available on Nykaa and Amazon, and I'll mention all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I just thought of keeping my hair open because I just shampooed my hair, and look how it's raining. It's crazy. Another crazy thing is when I won't go out, it won't rain. The moment I step out, it's gonna rain. I don't know. The rain gods are not happy. Even if I get one drop of water on my head, on my body or anywhere, it just spoils my mood. Like, I'm done for the day. It's that bad. I'm hoping it's gonna stop the moment I reach. God, please. My God, guys, it's just pouring cats and dogs. And I don't even have any umbrella. 1 minute. I know I'm gonna get benched. There's no entry from here. Entry. Look at my hair, the condition of my hair. The reason is because it's raining crazy and I was wearing this scarf. The driver was such an asshole. I just told him to get inside the gate. He came inside the gate. He dropped us somewhere. I don't even know where. We are standing like it's nowhere. We don't even know where the entrance is. We're going to Glenburn cafe. So we called them and they said that it's just right opposite to where we're standing. We have to go all the way this side and then take a left. I don't know. The driver was always like, আমাকে ছেড়ে দিন, আমাকে ছেড়ে দিন, আমাকে ছেড়ে দিন। I mean, কি বিয়ে করবো নাকি তোমাকে? Seriously, what do you mean আমাকে ছেড়ে দিন? একটা responsibility নেই কাস্টমারকে নামানোর কোথাও ভালো জায়গায়। What is this? He can't just drop me somewhere like anywhere, right? এক দেবো, এক। যদি ড্রাইভারটা দেখে থাকে তোমাকে আমি এক দিয়েছি। It stopped raining, so we're taking our chances and just rushing to the cafe. আমার বুদ্ধি দেখো, আজকেই আমি ভাবলাম আমি স্যান্ডেলস পরবো, and I did not wear my sneakers. See the kind of shoes I'm wearing on a rainy day. Wow. Oh god, finally. Oh yeah, we have finally reached the Glenburn Cafe. Don't show your face, you can show your hands.
Yeah.
This is everything that we have here.
Yeah, and the drink.
Okay, so this is my salad that I ordered, and for the past 7 days I have been eating non-stop junk food, and I really didn't want to. I wanted to put an end to my junk food wala time, so I thought why not order something healthy. So this is my salad. I don't know kotodin eta cholbe, but still I ordered a salad. I ordered this wonderful looking smoothie. It's got spinach, it's got beet, it's got pineapple, and it's got celery. So it's super healthy. Yeah, I'm very hungry. I'm just gonna start eating. I cannot do salads, but I finished my smoothie. This was amazing. Even this was amazing. The food is very good here, like excellent, but it's just me. I just can't do salads. Who bolchilam salad khabo hoye gelo salad. I'm not having salads. What 2 days?
After 2 days, you can try
Salads.
Yeah. Not with so many leaves, maybe smoothie.
I never like salad. I love smoothies. I finished my smoothie, so I love smoothies.
What smoothie are you having?
This is, I already told them what smoothie I'm having. It's okay, it's actually, you know what, the smoothie, don't stop laughing. The smoothie is actually cleansing my palate. It's actually cleansing my palate.
Oh, vocabulary.
Yeah, of course. No, I'm not a salad girl. I cannot have salads. I'm all for junk food.
Are you a
And
salad?
dessert.
Are you a
I'm a
salad
dessert
person
girl.
or a lad person?
Oh, I'm a salad girl. Good one.
Good one.
So we're done with Glenburn, and the food was awesome. Now I think we're gonna go to Oxford bookstore, and because we have to buy some books. No, Chinkas na. Oxford aitto samne ache. Ei to ekhane.
Okay, thank you.
So I went to Oxford and then I searched for a couple of books because I wanted to keep some books on my bedside table. I'm trying to get into the habit of reading books before I go off to sleep. I know it's very embarrassing vlogging right now in the middle of the street because people are actually staring. But anything for you guys, I'm just trying to be a better vlogger. I saw Wabi Sabi and I saw another book, I forgot the name, but then I checked on Amazon and it was so much more cheaper on Amazon that I thought that, you know, why not buy it from Amazon itself. And then I went to Momoso, so I'm standing right in front of Momoso right now. Actually wanted to buy candles, but then they had very decorative candles, like babyish candles, but I wanted especially peach, but it was not there. People are literally stopping and staring at me. I am going to meet a friend of mine. So change of plans, guys. I was supposed to go meet another friend of mine, but that isn't happening. I'm going back home because of this horrible weather. I just can't take it anymore. Don't think that I ditched my friend. Actually, she also had some issues. So we decided we will carry it on some other day. I'll go back home and get fresh. I am back home after a very tiring day. It was tiring mentally because of the weather. The weather affects me a lot. Like if it's sunny and if it's like very bright outside, I'm all very happy. But if it's raining and it's cloudy, I easily get depressed and I don't feel like, like me. So I'm back in my tower. So guys, I'm back home. Whatever I hate happened today. It rained. My feet got drenched because I took a wonderful decision of wearing sandals when it's raining outside. And there were big fat ass raindrops which fell on my head. That's a real bummer for me. And I'm a cleanliness freak, and because of that, I hate raindrops falling on my head because they are not the cleanest. I think I'm gonna make a cup of chamomile tea for me because it'll calm me down. I need it. Pick a good movie, and I'm now going to enjoy the rest of my Sunday. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next vlog, in my next video. Also guys, I totally forgot to show you my outfit of the day. This is what I was wearing. So I'm wearing my bathroom slippers right now because I'm ready to go to the washroom and clean myself. Don't look at that, just focus on what I am wearing right now. So this fuchsia top with a black bralette and these loose denim. It's so comfortable. This is from Zara. This is from H&M, and I forgot where this is from. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog right here because I need to focus on myself right now. If you love watching my vlogs, then do hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and yeah, I'm gonna see you. Bye.